PTZ Crystal Serum Review. Does this car coating really work? In this video, I am going to review PTZ Crystal Serum and explain whether this viral car coating actually works, or if it is just another overhyped product. If you have seen advertisements showing cars getting a mirror-like shine, extreme water beading, and long-lasting paint protection from PTZ Crystal Serum, you might be wondering if this coating is really worth buying. So let's look at what this product claims, what it actually does, and whether you should trust the marketing behind it. PTZ Crystal Serum is marketed as a graphene ceramic coating designed to protect car paint, improve gloss, repel water, and provide a durable protective layer. The product is promoted with claims like 9H hardness and years of protection, but these claims should be carefully evaluated before making a purchase. After application, one thing many users notice is improved shine and a smoother surface. Like many paint coatings, products in this category can create a hydrophobic effect where water forms beads and rolls off the surface more easily. This can make the car look cleaner and more polished. However, the biggest question is long-term protection. Professional ceramic coatings usually require detailed preparation, proper application, and controlled curing conditions. Some reviews and investigations have raised concerns about PTZ Crystal Serum's durability claims, lack of transparent technical information, and whether it can truly deliver professional-level results. Another important point is the 9H hardness claim. This does not mean your car becomes scratch-proof or protected from all damage. Hardness ratings used in coating marketing are often misunderstood, and a ceramic coating cannot prevent things like rock chips, deep scratches, or accidents. The application process is also important. Before applying any coating, the paint should be properly washed, cleaned, and prepared. Applying a coating over dirt, scratches, or paint imperfections can lock those problems underneath the surface. So does PTZ Crystal Serum really work? The answer depends on your expectations. It may provide temporary gloss, smoothness, and water-repelling effects, but claims of professional-grade protection and extremely long durability should be approached with caution. Here's a pro tip. Before buying any viral car coating, always check for real customer experiences, transparent product information, and realistic performance claims. A good coating should improve your car's appearance, but no product can replace proper maintenance and careful washing. That's it. Now you know whether PTZ Crystal Serum is worth considering, and what to look for before applying a ceramic coating to your vehicle. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have tried PTZ Crystal Serum or any other car coating before.